So I use the TC57 as my work phone for my business because I have a scanner around here and it's a lot easier to use. But this case, as you can see, it's yeah, it's run its course. So it's like, hey, it's time for a new case. So Amazon Vinyl was like, hey, we'll send you one if you review it. This is the Eason for anybody who's interested. I like the bright orange color. So I do realize I need a screen protector as well, a brand new one. So I got that on the way. So today I'm just replacing this case. And it should fit identically like the one I just took off. So there we go, open this. Now keep in mind, TC51, 56, it should work with almost all models of TC. Mine's a 57, it's the exact same form factor, everything is a 56. So it shows you right here. Put it in, pull it around, and that should be it. So let's see if it's really that easy. Put it in. Ooh, because this one here over time has become very flexible. This is nice and rugged. It is rugged. Okay, so here's a little tip and trick that, because since I'm struggling with this, it seems to work. Put your finger underneath and push up on that little flap until it goes over the top. And then now, ta-da! Ooh, I like that. I like these hand strips too because a lot of times when I'm carrying it, I just leave it on my wrist, almost like a watch. But yeah, no, I mean, that's nice. And it feels nice like texture to it. I mean, it seems durable. So let's go test it out. I'm going to test the effectiveness of this. I guess I'm just going to go like that. It didn't fall apart or anything, so that's good. What's nice too is this is raised up a little bit, so if it falls flat like that, it's not gonna, the screen protector and screen is not gonna get cracked. I mean, overall, I think this is a very nice product. I mean, it's very useful. It's very functional. I mean, you could have the hand strip and everything. And overall, I'd say it's a good product. I'm satisfied. Oh, and I didn't even see that until I turned it over. So you could take a stylus too and hook it through over here, they're saying. But I remember doing it over here. I used to have like a little lanyard that I would use. It's a little difficult to get it fed through there, but I mean, that's just another feature of it. So